Hey guys, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to add notes in Instagram. This is a very simple and easy guide, so please watch the whole video. The first thing to do is to open your Instagram. You will be taken to your homepage. Then, you're gonna want to click on Messages at the top right corner. As you can see, I have this emoji in my notes. Not everyone can see notes though. If you are one of those people, try updating Instagram. All you have to do is click on this plus icon, or if you already have a note, just click on it. And type what you want your friends to see. There you go. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.